Now I'm going to explain how to work with CSS, or cascading style sheets, in Flash. It's important to note that just like using HTML in a text document, Flash's use of CSS is a little bit limited. You can't use everything that you can use in a browser, but you can still use enough features to get by. You can either put CSS directly in ActionScript, or load it from an external file. And I would recommend using an external file, and that's what we're going to do in these exercises, simply for the reason that if your Flash is embedded into an HTML site and you're using a style sheet for your whole HTML site, you can use the same style sheet for your block of text in your Flash file. One important thing to note is that styles need to be loaded before the text appears on the screen. If the text is loaded before the style sheet, then the style sheet will apply to the next block of text. If you're not too familiar with CSS, take a look at my style sheet right here. This is a very simple one I created that we're going to apply to the text that we created in the last couple of exercises. This P stands for the paragraph, or the main body text. See, the font family is Sydney. I chose something that would look more like science and go with moon stuff better. Font size, self-explanatory. A link is the color or the style of a link when it's not being rolled over. This is a red color. Text decoration is underlined, so it'll be underlined. A hover is for when you hover over a link or roll over a link. The color is going to change to a blue color, and it's not going to have an underline. Let's go back to our FLA file. Open up the frame with all the actions on it. Go to your Actions panel. Alright, we're going to get a little more tricky here. So hang on. Go to the line right above where your loadVars object is loading the text file. I'm going to press enter a couple of times. Go up a few lines. I'm going to make a comment, a one-line comment, and say CSS. Press enter twice. Another one-line comment. End CSS. This is just to keep us organized. Click at the end of the first CSS comment. Press enter twice. Now I'm going to type var space my style with capital S colon text field capital T capital F dot style sheet with capital S and another capital S space equal sign space new space text field capital T and capital F dot style sheet open and close parenthesis semicolon. This line of code is creating a new variable called myStyle. It's of the type textfield.stylesheet. And that's just how you get to create a new CSS style sheet variable. You have to go textfield.stylesheet. It's equal to a new instance of textfield.stylesheet. Remember, you have to put an open and close parenthesis to create that instance. I'm going to press enter twice. Type my style with capital S dot load open parenthesis, and then you type the name of your file that you want to load, the name of your style sheet, my css dot css close quote close parenthesis semicolon. And this just tells the myStyle style sheet to load that CSS file. In the next video, I'm going to go over what we do next, what happens when all the style sheet is loaded, and how we apply it to our text area.